Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you're running an NVIDIA-based system, then just a quick video to let you know that NVIDIA has confirmed that it is aware of Windows 11 gaming issues. After installing the January Patch Tuesday security update, which has in its own way become an infamous update now because the update has caused a lot of issues for a lot of people. And the update, which rolled out 13, 14 Jan, depending on your region, is KB5074105. Now, this update has been causing a wide range of issues for a lot of users, as I have posted. And according to Windows latest, it has been observed that the mandatory January update is causing a black screen before the desktop finally loads or resets the desktop wallpaper. And that some users may also have a black screen before you can play a game. And this is not affecting everyone, but is limited to a small subset of users. But I'm just posting the video to keep you guys in the loop if you are experiencing these issues. I'll leave the Windows latest article in the description. Now, this is all according to a forum thread on NVIDIA. There are several users complaining about a wide range of issues, including black screens. Now, initially it was thought that it was due to NVIDIA's drivers, which have also been released last month in January 2026. But according to NVIDIA, the root cause is the January 2026 update KB5074109. So if we head over to NVIDIA's support forum, here we can see that Manuel, who works at NVIDIA, says even though it started after a Windows 11 update, we are looking into it. As far as I know, the only way to resolve it appears to be uninstalling KB5074109. And there are user reports on the forum saying that uninstalling the update, after uninstalling the update, the issue is not recurring. Now, the good news is that if you don't want to uninstall KB5074109 because it was an important security update, then according to NVIDIA, Manuel once again has said it is possible it was resolved with the latest update, which is KB5074105. I posted on that, which is the optional bug fix C-release update that rolled out towards the end of January. I'll leave the video for that update linked because there's quite a lot going on. And the reason why it is said that this update could resolve the issue is if we head to the actual change log for the update, here we have a display and graphics fix. Microsoft says the update addresses black screen issues in isolated multi-user environments, typically after a Windows upgrade. So it does seem that the update has fixed the black screen issues if you are running an NVIDIA-based system. So do yourself a favor, if you haven't installed this update yet and you are experiencing the issues, then install the update and it should get rid of those issues. But if you don't want to do that, then you can uninstall KB5074109 by heading down to the bottom of your update history page, clicking on uninstall updates, find the update, uninstall it. And then just make sure though that you pause updates until at least the next update rolls out, because if you don't, it'll just try to reinstall itself. But what I would suggest is get your hands on the latest optional update, 5074105, and that should resolve the issues according to NVIDIA and that support article. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.